In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit checks with KeyBank Mobile App 2025. Step by step. This walkthrough is for personal accounts and covers everything from logging in to safely storing the paper check after you're done, so you can deposit with confidence. First, open the KeyBank Mobile App and sign in. You can use your username and password or biometrics like fingerprint or Face ID if you've set that up. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection so images upload cleanly. Next, choose where you want the money to go. Navigate to your checking or savings account and tap deposit. If you see a dedicated deposit button on the home screen or menu, that works too. Just confirm the correct destination account is selected before you continue. Before you take any photos, endorse the check. On the back, sign your name and include the mobile deposit endorsement as directed by the app, typically for mobile deposit only. Some checks may require specific wording, so follow the prompt you see on screen. Now it's time for the photos. Place the check on a flat, dark, well-lit surface. First, capture the front with the check face up, then flip it, and capture the back with your endorsement visible. Keep all four corners in the frame, avoid glare and shadows, and make sure the numbers at the bottom are sharp. The app may auto-capture when everything looks good. If not, take the photo manually and retake it if it's blurry. Enter the check amount exactly as printed on the check. If the app reads a different amount, correct it so the numbers match. Review your details, account, photos, and amount. Then tap Submit Deposit. This quick check helps prevent delays or rejections. If your check is eligible, you may be offered deposit timing options. Standard deposit has no fee and follows normal processing times. Immediate funds gives you faster access for a fee, typically 2% of the check or a minimum of $2. Choose what fits your needs, keeping in mind eligibility and fees. After submission, look for the confirmation screen. You can always track the status and deposit history within the app. If you see a hold or a rejection, follow the guidance shown. Often, it's as simple as retaking clearer photos. Finally, hang on to the paper check for about 14 days in a safe place. Consider writing deposited on the front so you don't reuse it. Once you've confirmed the deposit has fully posted, shred the check to dispose of it securely. A few quick tips: deposit only original paper checks, watch for cutoff times if you need funds sooner, and remember that limits and holds can apply. And that's it. You've deposited your check with the KeyBank mobile app.